Hey everyone, it's Brian from Puente Hyundai. What we're going to be looking at today is the 2022 Hyundai Tucson, and we're going to be focusing on the cargo cover and some of the unique and cool things that you can do with it. All right, folks, let's talk about the cargo cover. Now, if your Tucson is equipped with the cargo cover, then you'll notice that there are two sections in the back specifically placed for the cargo cover. Now, what the cargo cover does is it protects your items from being stolen or even maybe looked at through this back window here. That's what it's for. It's to protect the vehicle. Now, there's two sections from it where you can pull back and place it here. There's one section which is going to be found in the very back, and then you actually have the ability to move this to a higher section in case you wanted to recline those rear seats. So that's a really nice convenience feature that Hyundai added for you. Now, what most people don't know about the cargo cover though, is that there is a section underneath the trunk located in order to kind of tuck it away in case you don't need it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's really simple. All you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this back and release it. There are two sections here located on the bottom. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this up, cuts in half here, and then there's two little cubbies on the side, left and right. Real simple, you just lift it up, don't worry, it won't break. Pull this out. On one side, it's gonna have a little square box located at the very bottom. All you're gonna do is tuck it in on one side. Next side, pull, same thing. Place it, push in. Once you hear the lock, that's it. Really simple. Then you put these little tabs back in, close it up, and you're good. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you guys so much for watching.